Welcome to today's meditation. Mindfulness allows us to strategically use our attention to both our inner and outer worlds to deal with the pain that life brings us. We worry about the future, or we dwell and regret the past, and a lot of our suffering is created by this time traveling. This kind of suffering, which is essentially suffering that we suffer, is actually a fabrication of the mind. It makes up a lot of our unhappiness, and when we actually look deeply into this, it's suffering that we're creating. This is actually good news because the brain being the cause means it can also be the cure. And as we know, pain is inevitable in life, but suffering is actually optional. We can't choose what bad things happen to us, but we can choose how we react and what we focus on when these things do happen. And with that, find your seat. It can be a chair or cushion on the floor. Sit with your back upright, but comfortable, resting your hands in your lap. And with your eyes open, begin by taking a few deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And on the next out breath, close your eyes. And begin to notice your weight on the floor or on the chair. Begin to notice the physical points of contact, such as your feet on the floor, your legs on the chair, your arms and hands in your lap. And just place your attention here for a few moments. And now let's bring our attention to the breath. Again, just notice the breath. We're not changing or trying to fabricate anything here. Just see where you notice the breath most. Maybe it's the rising and falling sensations. Maybe it's the inhale in the exhale and the physical sensations of breathing. Just leave an open awareness over the breath. Use your breath as an anchor to maintain an open awareness. Notice any thoughts, feelings, sensations, sounds, and notice how they come and go through the mind. All while placing a gentle awareness over the breath. And when you become distracted, notice what type of thought took your attention away from the breath. Was it your mind traveling into the future? Was it your mind traveling into the past? Make a note of this as thinking and return your attention back to the breath. And the final minute, allow the mind to do what it wants. Release all attention and focus. And now, open your eyes. The next time you catch yourself adding extra suffering to your pain, remember that it's important to remember that you can't change the past or the present. We can only accept it as it is. However, knowing this, we can tend to the causes and work to create a better future for ourselves.